Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we've just got a short video having a look at the RAM we ordered for the new, I say new build, kind of half new build. I'm replacing my motherboard RAM and CPU. So this is the RAM we ordered. It arrived yesterday. As you can see, this is 16 gig of 52 mega transfers per second DDR5. It's Corsair Vengeance RAM. It does say in the bottom left corner, as you can see, Intel XMP ready. Now, it's thrown a lot of people off. I've seen a few posts about it on Reddit. Just because it says Intel XMP ready doesn't mean it won't work on an AMD platform. It will. It just means it's more it's more tuned to be used with Intel's XMP profiles, but you can still use it on an AMD platform. That's my plan. You might have already seen the video with my motherboard, which is an ASRock B650 live mixer, and the CPU we're going to be pairing that with, I still haven't fully decided on. I'll be buying that next month, but it's going to be either a Ryzen 5 7600X or a Ryzen 7 7700X. I haven't really decided yet. So as you can see, there's the RAM. Now, I'm not going to take it out of the packet because I don't obviously need it right now. The only thing I will say about this RAM is I've obviously opened this packet to have a look at the sticks. Now, if you do get this RAM, be very careful, because when you open it, obviously this top bit folds backwards to give you access. You're best off just putting pressure on the underneath of the packet and popping the RAM sticks out that way. I tried to pull them out and pulled one of the heat spreaders off, and had to put the thermal pad sort of back in the right place and push the heat spreader back on. So I don't know whether it's just a bit of shoddy build quality that from Corsair or not, because they shouldn't come off that easily. I've had sticks of RAM before. Like right now I'm using Kingston's like HyperX Fury RAM, and the heat spreaders on that are damn near indestructible. You can't get them off, but these like near enough fell off. So yeah, this is 5200 mega transfers per second, which obviously isn't the fastest DDR5 out there, but I don't need like stupidly fast RAM. 5200 mega transfers is still more than fast enough when you consider most people on DDR4 are on 32 or 3600. So yeah, this is, like I said, obviously got custom XMP profiles, but it will still work through on AMD platforms. It also comes with, as far as I know, a lifetime warranty from Corsair, which Corsair are usually good on their warranties. I think my RM850X power supply has something like a 10-year warranty on it, 15-year warranty on it. And apparently you can control like how you would usually overclock memory using like XMP or I think it's AMD Expo inside your motherboard BIOS. On this, apparently, now don't quote me, I've never had Corsair RAM before, but according to their sort of website on this RAM, it can be controlled through the iQ software, which I always thought iQ was just for controlling RGB. Now obviously this has no RGB on it. The cache latency on this RAM is CL40, which I've also heard a lot of people say CL40 isn't that stable, you want CL36. but I don't think it's going to be that bad. But yeah, so obviously this is two 8 gig sticks, Vengeance DDR5. It says its base speed on the website is 4800 megatransfers per second, and the tested speed goes up to 52. But even a standard speed of 4800 is fine. The actual total cache latency is 40 40 40 by 77. And it says here, like, memory detail compatibility, Intel 13th gen CPUs or newer, but like I said, it will still work with AMD. It's obviously 288 pin UDIM. Apparently the average voltage that these use is 1.1 volts, but they've been tested up to 125 volts. Or 1.25 volts, not 125 volts. That would kill your RAM completely. But yeah, thought I'd just do a quick video showing these. Like I said, the new system will be getting built sometime between basically the middle of this month and the middle of next month. I will do a video because obviously I won't be swapping out my full system. I'll be keeping like my case, fans, power supply, GPU, AIO. I'll just be removing my old motherboard with the RAM and the CPU already in it. So I will put a video up of that. But yeah, for now guys, I will leave this video here. Just wanted to show you all what I picked up. For anyone curious actually about the price, I paid, can't remember, I'll have a quick look now. I'm pretty sure it was like £56. God damn it, I deleted the email because I'm an idiot. Yeah, I think it was £56. I think you can get it on Amazon for around that price. I didn't get it from Amazon, I got it from a company in London called Inside Tech. But on Amazon, yeah, you can get two 8 gig sticks like this at this speed for £56.98. I was going to get the Vengeance RAM with the RGB on top, but when you consider this is £57 and the Vengeance RAM with RGB on the top is like 95, like, I'm not paying like an extra 30-35 quid for some lights on the top of my RAM. Like, I've got enough RGB in the system. So I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can pick this up on Amazon, if you feel the need to, or you need a new RAM, or you're building a DDR5 sort of system. But yeah, for now guys, I'll leave this video here. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. We've just hit 64 subs, which is great considering the channel's only been going 5 months, around about 5 months. And views are really picking up. It's looking like one of the first ever videos I did on the channel like 4.5 months ago. The tutorial on how to use OCCT. It's looking like that thing's going to hit over 10k views, which is amazing. So thank you all for that. Keep liking, subscribing, keep watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.